Hey, 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 yeah! Welcome to Chotu Einstein! Today we are going to draw 3 amazing animals: a lion, a fish, and an elephant. Even if you have never drawn before, by the end of this video, you will be an artist. Grab your pencil and paper, let's go!
First up, the lion, the king of the jungle.
Did you know lions are the only cats that live in groups called prides? Cool, right?
Step 1. Draw a big circle in the middle of your paper. That is the lion's face. Step 2. Draw a wavy ring all around the circle, like a fluffy sun. Step 3. Bob. 2 triangle ears on top. 2 big round. Step 4. Draw a big curved smile.
Step 5. Oval body below, 4 short legs, and a long tail with a fluffy tip. Now color it in. Golden yellow mane, orange body. Look how beautiful your lion is. You drew a lion. Give yourself a big clap. Now let's go underwater for animal number 2.
Now, let's go underwater. Animal number 2 is a beautiful tropical fish.
Fish come in thousands of colors. They are like living rainbows swimming in the ocean. Step 1, Pop. Draw a big oval lying sideways. That is the fish's body. Step 1. Draw a big oval lying sideways. That is the fish's body.
Step 2. Tapped. Add a triangle tail on the right side full, like a little fan. Step 3. Small circle for the eye with a shine dot and a little curved smile for the mouth. Step 4. Draw wavy lines across the body from top to bottom.
Step 5. 2 small fins, then color it in your favorite colors. Go wild!
2 animals done. Now let's meet the biggest one, the elephant.
And the biggest. The elephant, the largest land animal on Earth.
Did you know elephants never forget? They remember friends and family for over 50 years. Step 1. Draw a circle for the head, then a big oval below for the body. Step 2. Draw a long, wiggly trunk hanging down. Make it curl a little at the tip. Step 3. 2 big fan-shaped ears. Elephants flap them to cool down, like... Step 4. Here's 4 thick, strong legs and a small tail. Step 5. 2 tusks, a kind eye, a big smile, and color it gray.
All 3 animals finished. You are officially an artist.
Tip 1. Always color in one direction, left to right or top to bottom. It looks so much neater.
Tip 2. Press lightly for light colors, press harder for dark. Same pencil, 2 totally different looks. Tip 3. Cull. Mix colors to make new ones. Yellow plus blue makes G-Rian. Your lion can be purple. Your fish can be golden. Your elephant can be rainbow.
Look at your gallery. A lion, a fish, and an elephant. You drew all 3. Share your drawing in the comments. We want to see it. Like this video and subscribe for more fun every Sunday. An octopus with 9 brains. See you then. Bye-bye from Chotu Einstein.